Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you how to operate the shredder in automatic mode. First, switch from the manual control page to the automatic page. Then enable the automatic mode switch. This two-step control helps prevent accidental operation. The machine cannot start in automatic mode until this switch is enabled. After confirming it, press Automatic Start. Once the cycle starts, the status indicators show which components are running, including the fan, the hydraulic system, the main motor in forward or reverse rotation, and the feeding conveyor. The green indicator lights make it easy to see the operating status of each section while the complete shredder system is running. To stop the automatic cycle, press Automatic Stop. The current limit parameters are preset before delivery and should not be adjusted without authorization. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mode, please contact us by email or WhatsApp. We will be happy to answer all your questions. See you in the next video.